When we're talking about roof inspections, damage assessment and maintenance are two pivotal aspects that we can't ignore. We're experts in this field, and we're here to share some insights on the process. We use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure nothing slips under our radar. The goal here is to catch and address any issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Maintenance, on the other hand, is all about taking proactive steps to preserve the lifespan of your roof. We don't just wait for problems to appear, we actively work to prevent them. This includes regular cleaning to remove debris, which can cause damage over time, checking and replacing seals, and flashing as needed to prevent leaks, inspecting for signs of pest activity, as pests can seriously damage a roof, replacing worn or damaged shingles to ensure consistent protection. By prioritizing damage assessment and maintenance, we can help ensure your roof remains in top condition for years to come. It's a careful balance of proactive and reactive measures, and we're here to guide you through it every step of the way.